Hello, welcome to my channel. Alright, so today we're inside the beast. Look at this. The boys have been destroying the burned out flooring. The joists are good, it looks like. We've got most of the top down. Looks like those are good, but you're still gonna... Those are coming off?
Yep.
So here's our lovely kitchen if anybody's interested in buying this house. A nice charcoal look to it. Beautiful wallpaper back there. Comes with a dishwasher. Okay, so...
You have to have your own washer and dryer.
Today's project is getting the floors out and pulling this paneling off. We've got the hallway to go. I think, are we doing this one?
Yes, we're doing this.
I mean, the floors on this one?
Ooh.
Oh, I didn't think it was too bad over here. Okay, so...
Daylight down there.
See, all the joists are so good. They're not burned. That's a closet. This is where the washer dryer goes. This is going to be an extra bedroom when we get done. Look at all that. So we got a lot of work to do. I'll show you before and after. Look at this. Can you see it? I'm dirty. Working hard, but anyway, y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, update on the burned house. So we finally got some crews in here to get blowing and going quicker than just the two of us old people can go. So they've been in here. They tore out all the like the paneling is still up on that part, but they tore all the paneling out. All the walls they stripped. They got all the kitchen stuff out. They stripped all of the ceiling in here. Cleaned everything out. It's out in this dumpster. Now we decided to go ahead and take the roof down, or replace the roof basically. Sorry, the lights look terrible right here. Oh, I look terrible. They're gonna basically pull this roof off and replace all these trusses and everything with new stuff. Let's go here, show you what they're doing. They are on the roof. Hear the chainsaw going. So in a couple hours, this is probably going to look way different. Stay tuned for our updates. Alright, today is day 5 of this house. We will call this house El Fuego. Renovation on El Fuego. So this is the little garage. This did not have a wall. It was all rotted out. Yep.
Almost fell.
We almost got him on video falling.
You need a hammer.
So we're trying to get these nails out right here to get our 2x4 in as we are framing this side of the garage. He bought a used garage door today. We got that put in. So hopefully by the end of the day we will have it framed in and we'll be able to lock some of our tools in here and not have to haul them back and forth every day. And then I'll show you what we've done in that. Now we're gonna make it into just I think a normal bedroom. We were thinking about a mother-in-law suite or like a den, I don't know. So this room, we have all the sheetrock out, all the bad insulation out. We still got to get the tiles up there out, get this nasty fan, but we've done a lot of work with, so it's coming along slowly but surely. Alright, so check out what's going on right now. They're getting ready to put the trusses up. right? So I just learned this. I don't know any of this stuff. I'm learning as we go. So I want to show y'all so y'all can learn right along with me. So they're about to put up trusses. So they've got this board that they measured and screwed up. Let me get over here so you can see. So it's very large board. Screwed to one side. Okay, now they're doing the same thing on this side. And what they're going to do is the trusses come across this way, right? But they don't have any way to support it as they're building it. So they put these two up, and then they're going to have one all the way from one end to the other, right? So there'll be a board right here. And then they're going to put the trusses, and they're going to go from this side, screwed or nailed to the middle piece, and then the truss on this side to the middle piece. And then they're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, a bunch of them down this way. And then once they're all supported, they cut these down, but everything is supported at that point. So this is just like a temporary support system until they get the trusses up. So I thought that was pretty cool. I'm trying to learn this stuff. I don't know how to build a house, but a little bit as we go. I thought that was pretty interesting, so I wanted to share with y'all. If y'all know a different way to do it, better way, or if you have any opinions for me, just write me down below. Let me know. Welcome again to my channel. Alright guys, so we are still at the burned out house, and we have an amazing update. Billy is with us today, Rose. Billy is working hard. So look what has been done over the past week. So this is the front door. Ta-da! There's no roof. Isn't that crazy? So obviously we removed all the roof, all the trusses. We've got a new top plate going in right here. I mean, that was a bathroom, that's a bedroom. This is gonna be cool because we didn't know, but this is a vaulted ceiling, and it has this metal that I don't know what they did, but it made it a flat short ceiling. And we're gonna just remove the metal, and it's gonna have a vaulted ceiling. And then like the same over there, there's like this metal, but up here is vaulted. So when we're all done, it's gonna be a really pretty vaulted ceiling. You guys have been working really hard. It's been, I don't know, week and a half. So today we're hoping to get some of the roof trusses in. We're gonna remove, I mean, all the charred stuff is going, removing that. It is really hard work, and I've got another property I'm gonna be starting on my own, and that's coming, I don't know, in the next couple weeks. So I'm really excited about that. Y'all stay tuned, and I appreciate you watching.